Good morning, everyone. It is October 20th, 2011. All the foreign markets are down. However, we have some decent news on new unemployment claims. They moved positive in a very mild way. At 9, we have existing home sales. If our fib placement is correct, we are dancing on the 76 fib. Could have a reverse mid-band push here. Indicators are looking down. Okay, we're trying a short. And we did not get filled, so I'm going to pull that. Now approaching, well, we just tapped the 89 fib. Could have a reverse here. Pretty strong indicators on our MACDs. Lots of separation on our smaller charts. 987 could be on the rail. Got a pretty strong V down on 1597. 610 could be coming down for a foot. That would be a pretty nice formation for a foot. 4181 is inside the rail. Wait a minute. No, that's my 10K. Gotta learn my charts. Got some dancing on the lower Keltner band. Could be in for a reversal. Volumes are significant, so trading conditions are favorable. On this shorter fib range, doesn't help us much, I guess. Pretty close to the bottom here of this double bottom, the low for the day. Let's see if this is a point to bounce off. Got a bounce here on the 377 and sort of a bounce on 610, so that means lower to me. Those of us who are stockholders, don't cry too loud, or it will mess up the trading. Okay, looks like we're going to pierce the low for the day. Maybe not. We've touched it. Got lots of separation now on the smaller charts. This could be a pullback or a reversal. Looks like we've got a trend line going here. See if our trend line helps us determine where a pullback might reverse and continue on its way. Okay, we're back on the low of the day, tapping on that line, and we have pierced it. Could have a reversal coming here. That sometimes happen when you just get a tick or two under a low or a high, over a high. And now we're proceeding lower. Yeah, we really missed that trade up here. That reverse on that mid-band push here. That's a shame. But there will be another trade. Okay, we've got to reset our fibs if we're going to make sense of things. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. A 987. Well, we've popped through the bottom of that too, so kind of rewrites the rules for us. Change this marker here so you can see what we're doing. Okay, we've got a major pivot down here. I think that's what we've got to use. No, maybe not. Here's one. At 686.9. Let's make a note of that. We'll draw a line down here at 686.9. Say that's a potential pivot point. Here we had kind of a head and shoulders. A real strong on the rail indicator here for 987. And we almost touched that pivot point. Got kind of a foot forming on 377, separation on 610. Got potential for a long. I'd like to get a little lower to form a foot on the 4181. That would be a pretty sweet foot. Okay, we could have a reverse mid-band push here. Excuse me, a mid-band push. Let's watch for that. Okay, we're going to try get in here. my sell it ask doesn't seem to be catching trades. So I'm going to pull that. I'm thinking now I should be using sell it market in a fairly fast moving environment, because I've missed out on 2 trades now. And you can see you had divergence here. Didn't make it up to the mid band on the 144 MACDs, but we surpassed the midline on the Keltner, so missed out on a point and a half at least, or more if we continue to go down, and we still have indications on the big charts that that's looking like a good possibility. It looks like 987's coming underneath. We're very close to that previous pivot point, but didn't touch it. But that should have helped us recognize resistance. Got a baby bar here, baby bar there. Here's another mid-band push possibility. Might take a trade on this. Got to wait for the BBs to confirm. Okay, let's try it. Alright, we're in. And see if we make some progress down. Okay, I got taken out. A little zigzag action here. Awfully late in getting in. So that makes it tough. Still looking for a short opportunity, I believe. On the 4181, I look for price to go down to 684. This is 76 fib. So let's watch for a short opportunity. Getting good separation on 233. Still showing down on the big charts. 377's on the rail, so he may be over with one more BB, which is now. Coming to a resistance point on 610. Kind of over the rail now, so we'll probably have more up. This could be the end of it, with 610 coming to the upper Bollinger. This looks like a nice, could be a nice run though on 987. We're pinching the band, so that says more down, possibly down, down. So we could have a short opportunity here. Got a double top, could be a triple top. Need to reset these fibs real quick. Do a short range here. trailing up slowly. A lot of separation. Probably set up for a short here. There's a long bar. On a shorter time frame, let's see what our fibs look like. Okay, could be coming down for a reversal here. Got a mid-band push possibility. Right here we got divergence. I think we respected a 38. Now I may come down to 76. Got a mid-band divergence there. Had a pretty good run down, so if we have some ranging here, that wouldn't be surprising. Here it looks like we're coming down to the 76, coming down to resistance. This could be a bull flag. That guy could form a foot. Still got that pinch. That pinch worked out, kept going in the same direction. Going to have to sink to form a foot. 4181, still looking pretty strong down on a 10K. Okay, now we've made a retracement, tapped on 23. That's a favorite thing for it to do, and you got to be quick to catch it in this smaller range here. Okay, I've got an alert that we got news coming up at 9. Might be going sideways. We probably have some good news on sales of existing housing from what's been chatted about lately. Oh, went down and tapped 76 while I wasn't looking. But we blew through it. Nice head fake. Tapped on the 89. Indicator still looked down. Need a little more down to form the foot on 987 and 4181. That'd be cool. Okay, we're still showing pretty strong down. We're getting some separation on 144. We're on the line for 233. $377 saying I should want to go up. Okay, we just about got enough for those feet to form. Takes a lot of BBs for some of these charts. Alright, there we go. We're breaking the bottom right at that pivot point. This could be a reversal point right here. But nobody's buying it yet. Okay, went up and tap there. Gotta move our fibs to reflect what's going on. Coming back down. We are so close to being ready for a foot on the 4181. Volumes have moved up considerably. New lower territory again. Wow. Look at that trend. Gets. It's strong down, but we got some separation now underneath 610, 987. We're off the rail on 1597. It's a pretty sweet place to have a reversal. Let's make a quick stab at where that might occur. Got a double bottom here. Looks awfully attractive. Still got a lot of down momentum. This could be a good place for a buy. Let me check this real quick. Okay, we're pretty far from the next pivot point. 679.7. But let's do it on a fib basis. I hate to take the time to do this and I can't watch the chart, but I think it makes sense. Okay, we're at a 76 fib right now, so this could be a good reversal place right now. I'm getting some indication that that's true. 610 still not buying it. It's a very tempting buy right here. Okay, we're in. We're going to go a tick below the last low. We were right off that 76 fib. So we have some justification. We've got some upward momentum on volume, kind of dancing around right now. Good separation under 987. 610 looks like it's curling around. Okay, we got a little dancing going on. So far so good. Okay, we're coming to upper band resistance on 233. We need to see 610 turn green. Okay, it just turned green for a moment. Okay, we continue to do our dance steps here. Alright, we had a big jump up. A big jump up. So that was pretty sweet. Caught me. It's not too often I get a big jump like that gets my 25 tick target. But I'll take it. So let's look at, oh, we ran into the news is what happened. We ran into the news. So let's see how that came out on our trading chart. We'll look at today. Had two trades. We're up $152 per contract, so I'm going to call it a day. See you tomorrow.